everybody, my name is Christine. Welcome back to Cabin Creek Homestead, and today I am harvesting corn. But funny story, this actually isn't my corn, this is my neighbor's corn. And this is one of the great things about living out in the country. I have been dropping off potatoes and eggs and garlic, and now it is my turn to share in their harvest. So this is my neighbor's cornfield, and they've already gone through with harvesting what they want, and they invited me to come and pick whatever rests I wanted, and it's gonna be a bumper crop. So come along with me and see what we do with it all. All right, so here's your corn, right? Here's your whole thing. Right here are silks.
Where?
Every single one of these silks right here at the top of the corn, that leads down to its own kernel. And if these right here are shaken by the wind and the pollen will fall down into it, it pollinates these. So well-pollinated corn has every single kernel. That means every single one of these silks was pollinated by these falling down. So you have to plant them close together so that when the wind blows, it shakes and pollinates all the silks. So Helen, shuck yours real quick.
I did.
Pull all of it off. Turn it the other way so it's right side up and pull down. And let's see if it was well pollinated.
It was really well pollinated.
It was? How can you tell?
Because all of this is not brown and it has all this on it.
Right, it's all formed. Every kernel is formed. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Can I eat it raw?
You can, but it might hurt your tummy.
Yay. He does not care
Let's
about
cook it though, okay?
Would you hold me if I told you we can just run away? So come, my darling, let me help you. We can follow the sun and leave the rain for somebody else. Let's help ourselves, leave our troubles on the shelf. Don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. All the sidewalks and the highways, they will turn into dust as Mother Nature covers over every street we take and lead the way for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles on the shelf. So don't you worry, we're gonna find all we need in our sunset paradise. Leave it all for somebody else to help themselves, leave their troubles upon the shelf. And don't you worry, we're gonna find